How to create Instagram story in Canva. So first go to Canva, and then here, in order for you to create one, you can just click on create here at the top. There are two ways to do this, and then just search up for Instagram story, and then here you can just click on this and then begin making your Instagram story from scratch. Okay, but if you don't want to do that from scratch, you can do another way. Close this and then go to templates here, and then search for Instagram story here. Okay, now here you can see a lot of templates here that you can use. Now just choose any one that you want to use, and then for example I want to use this one. Click on that and then click on customize this template. Then here you can see all of them can be edited or deleted and then changed. You can just upload your photos here and then change the text, the words that you want to add here for your Instagram story. You can just resize them however you want, change the background as well. Once you've done that, you can just download this and you're ready to go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.